So today we shall be looking at how to use streaming to get massive views and subscribers. I want to do this video in less than 5 minutes. So first of all, you need a video that you stream, and when you need a video that you stream, you can get your video from either Instagram, TikTok, or you just download a viral video. So now let's go to TikTok, let's go to Instagram, for instance. Instagram, because of time. Instagram, where are you? Okay, so let's go to Instagram. Now when you come to Instagram, you'll see, okay, look at this video now, somebody crossing and all of that. So I don't know if this one is viral. No, I don't want this one. So let's see if we'll see. Okay, so you can, oh, she fell. So let's say you see this one. This one has about 4,000 likes, and then so let's say I like this one now. I'll just comment. So you click on this. When you click on this, you just copy the link. Now I can down. If you have on Xender on your phone, you can use Xender. So you copy the link here. Then when you finish copying the link, you can, like me now, if I want to use, if you have Xender on your phone, you can use Xender to download it. Now if I click on this one now, I'll just simply come to Xender. I'll come to see downloader. You see this downloader app here. I'll click on it. If I click on the downloader app, it would downloading the link. All these other ones you are seeing are the ones I've downloaded. Then if you do not have this Xender, you can come to your browser. When you come to your browser, you come to this ssyoutube.com. Come to this ssyoutube.com, paste the link there that you've copied. When you paste the link, it is going to now you see this link now is trying to see, it has opened it. See, it has shown the video there. Now it's going to show you to download. See now, MP4. So you download with the MP4. So if I click on download now, it's going to download. So both ways I've downloaded the video. So once you finish downloading this video, let me remove this thing. I'll click on the download again. So it's already downloaded. So now let's go straight to work. So now I'll come to this place and I'll go to, so we've gotten the video we need. Then we'll now go to Restream. So the name of the website we want to stream this thing is called Restream. Restream.io. So but if you can just go to studio.restream.io is better. Studio.restream, which is the support. I've already opened it before. So you go to studio.restream.io. So once you open that, if you've not logged in, if you've not signed up, it will ask you to sign up. So let's see if we've signed up. Okay, so now it has opened. You see, because I've registered before, so you see now it's showing Kojesians. So I'll just say enter studio. This is so it's showing my live video now. So I'll just click on enter studio. Okay, so it has opened the place. Now you see there are different types. You see what I'm clicking on now. This particular one that has double up and down, there is this one here, but this is not any of the ones we use. The real one we use has not shown. So now once you are in the studio here, the first thing you want to do is to even put the video. So let's put the video. You see this bottom here, there are 3 dots. So these 3 dots, you click on it. When you click on it, you now come to local video. So you click on local video. So I've removed the sound, so it's too busy for us to do. Then I'll now come here. You see this up here, you are saying miracle thing. I'm going to change the title there to something that will reflect what the video is about. So I'll just call it what do I call it now? I'll say Chinese race. Okay, Chinese race. Give up. So something like that. Now I'll call it Chinese race never give up. Then after that, I'll leave this this description. I can add description if I want to. So I'll just leave that description for now, but you can change it. You can even want thumbnail. So once I finish that, then the next thing is I want to change. You see this first screen here? You see it's showing it, but it's showing another video that is showing my background. I'll remove that in this first one here. You see this top one here. So I'll put it, so only that particular video I want to stream that I'll be showing. Okay, so it's only that video that I'm showing now. But sometimes what I do is that this video, before you put it here, first of all go and edit it on your video editor, so that you will not get penalized by YouTube, because this video still has the sound, it still has the watermark and everything. So it's not I do this kind of video. What you simply do for this kind of video, number one, you take it to your remove the sound. That sound is what used to cover people. Remove the sound completely. Once you remove the sound, then add your watermark. Maybe at the bottom now you can just say Coaches Yans. They understand. Then here at the bottom you can just put it, or at the top. So the ones I've done before, I'll show you the videos the ones I've done before I did it. So now you've done that, it's now time. Before you even add, you have to connect it to your YouTube or your Facebook. You see this top here now that is showing my logo. Click on it. This top here. Click on it, and then that's going to ask you to connect to your social media account. You see now, Coaches Yans is already showing there. So if as me you've not added for the first time, as me you've not added for the first time, the network is very bad there. As me you've not added for the first time, it will ask you to add. So in this place now, you just click on add. You see Facebook, you see YouTube, you see different social media applications. So you click on it. For me now, I already have my YouTube here. So if you click on it, as me I've not done that already. So just let me know if you have any issue with that, because I won't be able to do that here again since I already have it. So it's showing the other account. If I want to connect to my Twitter or my channel of that, we've connected our YouTube, we've done this, we've created our title. Then the next thing is to go live. So you see in this place here now, this video is 2 minutes. So it's ideal to get a video that is up to 2 minutes long, because sometimes you get a video if that is about 10. Many people would have to watch it complete. So if you watch your video complete, imagine one person watching 5 minutes, and then like you get like 1,000. But if it is even that's if person watches it once, so sometimes if he's interested, they may want to continue watching on and on. But imagine it's just like 20 seconds video. After 20 seconds, they watch the second 20 seconds, they'll know, I've already seen this for the first 20 seconds, I'm seeing it again, they'll go away. So at least get a video that is about 2 minutes long. So now that you've gotten that, we have this, all we just need to come and do now is to go to click on live. See, I've muted my own microphone, so it's good to mute your mic. Then you now click on go live. So once you go live, that is the end. It will start streaming. So it's going live now. You can see it's going live. So it has started streaming now. So anybody that is online will see this particular video. But I'm going to remove it. You know, I didn't edit it to remove the sound so that YouTube will not strike me. So that is that. Let me know if you have any challenge or any question. If you go to my YouTube now, you'll see this video live streaming there. So if you are doing it, so go and check it on, you'll see it's live streaming. So these are the previous ones. You see some of them. This one now is like 100 and something views. Okay, look at this one now. You see this one now. This one was actually a live video I did in my compound. Last snake invades my compound, 900 and something views, you know, in 5 hours. But I usually do it overnight. See this one now, 193. But the one after it, my dog's cozy up, it didn't get correct views. Then if you come to this one now, car impound. This one, I got this video on Instagram where somebody was trying to snatch a bicycle and he was arrested, you know. So that one gave me 500 and something views. You see copyright. You see this one has copyright issue because I used the sound. Once you use the sound, you have copyright. Just know that one. And the views was poor. So that's where. So it is from here I started doing my live stream. I think from here with Restream. See some of them 16 views. Depends. If your topic is not interesting, you won't get views. Look at this particular one now. Aquarium Shark Attack 1. Then Shark Attack Underwater 2 and Shark Attack Underwater 3. All of them check. None of them gave me good views because people are not just interested in something like that, you know. And this one I even did for 3 hours, just got only 24 views. But look at the one I now did, Lion Stroll on the Streets. I got this one from YouTube Shorts. I downloaded it and used it. It gave me 100 and something views. So sometimes like that you get views, you know. But the ones that have given me the highest view are these two. impound. So let's sort by most viewed. So these are the views I've gotten. Dark snake 900 and something, can impound 520. This live snake was this video. I found the snake in my compound. That time I just moved in before I completed all those parts. So snake used to enter my compound. Then the next one is can impound 500 and something. Typical African road city. This one I was driving. As I was driving, I was videoing the road and I streamed it, and then I looped it. Oh, sorry, in the video I thought I didn't teach loop. You have to click on loop to loop it so that the video will continue playing over and over. It was because it was hanging. Then Gabon Viper snake. So